In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create digital invitations in Wix. Start by going to the Wix website. If you do not have an account yet, create one. If you already have an account, log in to continue. Once you are in your Wix dashboard, look for the option that says Create New Site. Click it to begin building your invitation page. Next, choose a template that fits your event. Wix offers many designs, including event pages, landing pages, and invitation-style layouts. Pick a template that matches the look and feel you want for your invitation. After selecting the template, click Edit to open it in the Wix editor. Inside the editor, you can begin customizing the design. Change the text so it reflects your event. Update the colors, fonts, and images to match your theme. Keep the design clean and easy to read so guests can quickly understand the important details. Once the style is in place, add all of the event information. Include the event name, date, time, and location. You can also add extra details such as a dress code, schedule, or any instructions your guests need to know. Make sure everything is accurate and clearly displayed on the page. After that, add an RSVP form so guests can respond directly from the invitation. In Wix, you can insert a form and customize the fields based on the information you want to collect. For example, you may want to ask for the guest name, email, and number of attendees. Place the form somewhere visible so it is easy for people to find and complete. When your invitation content is ready, go to your site settings and connect your domain if you want to use a custom web address. This step helps make your invitation look more polished and easier to share with guests. Before publishing, preview the invitation to see how it will appear to visitors. Check both the desktop and mobile views to make sure the layout looks good on different screen sizes. Adjust spacing, text size, or image placement if needed. Once everything looks right, click Publish to make your invitation live. Wix will generate a shareable link that you can send to your guests through email, messaging apps, or social media. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.